Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic affecting millions worldwide: understanding cholesterol, triglycerides, nutrition facts, and the risk of heart attacks. A good grasp of these concepts is essential as they significantly affect our overall heart health. Cholesterol is a waxy substance in your blood that is crucial for building healthy cells. However, having high levels of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol, can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. On the other hand, good cholesterol, or HDL cholesterol, helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. By understanding cholesterol levels and how they impact our heart health, we can make informed decisions about our diet and lifestyle to keep our hearts healthy and strong. This knowledge empowers us to take control of our health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Triglycerides are fats found in the blood that the body uses for energy. High levels of triglycerides, especially when combined with high cholesterol, can increase the risk of heart disease. By learning about triglycerides and how they interact with cholesterol, we can make dietary and lifestyle changes to maintain healthy levels and protect our hearts. Nutrition facts labels provide valuable information about the nutrients and ingredients in our foods. Understanding how to read and interpret these labels can help us make healthier food choices that support heart health. By paying attention to serving sizes, calories, fats, sugars, and other nutrients, we can make informed decisions about our diet and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. In this video, we'll explore the importance of understanding cholesterol, triglycerides, and nutrition facts and how they all tie into the risk of heart attacks. Stay tuned for valuable insights and practical tips to help you take charge of your heart health. Cholesterol is a vital substance that is crucial to our overall health. It is a waxy, fat-like substance found in every cell of our body and is essential for building cell membranes, producing hormones, and aiding digestion. However, having high levels of cholesterol, terrible cholesterol, can pose severe risks to our health. There are two main types of cholesterol: LDL, low-density lipoprotein, and HDL, high-density lipoprotein. LDL cholesterol is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it can build up in the walls of arteries, leading to atherosclerosis and increasing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol is known as good cholesterol as it helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. Maintaining a healthy LDL and HDL cholesterol balance is essential for heart health. A heart-healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is necessary to keep your cholesterol levels in check. Limiting saturated and trans fats and reducing sugar and salt intake can also help lower LDL cholesterol levels and raise HDL cholesterol levels. In addition to diet, regular physical activity is critical to managing cholesterol levels. Exercise can help raise HDL cholesterol levels and lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity weekly exercise to support heart health and overall well-being. Regular cholesterol screenings are essential for monitoring your cholesterol levels and assessing your risk of heart disease. By getting tested regularly, you can identify potential issues early on and take proactive steps to improve your cholesterol levels through diet, exercise, and medication. Understanding the basics of cholesterol, its types, functions, and impact on health is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. By making smart lifestyle choices, including a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, and cholesterol screenings, you can take control of your cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to keep your heart healthy and strong. Triglycerides are another type of fat found in the blood that is a significant energy source for the body. Unlike cholesterol, a building block for cells and hormones, triglycerides are primarily used for energy storage. When you consume more calories than your body needs, the excess calories are converted into triglycerides and stored in fat cells for later use. While triglycerides are essential for energy production, high levels of triglycerides in the blood can have negative implications for heart health. Elevated triglyceride levels are often associated with other risk factors for heart disease, such as obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. High triglyceride levels can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. It's important to note that triglycerides and cholesterol are distinct entities with different bodily functions. While cholesterol is essential for cell structure and hormone production, triglycerides primarily serve as a source of energy. However, both triglycerides and cholesterol can impact heart health when present in excessive amounts. Dietary and lifestyle changes are critical to managing triglyceride levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while limiting saturated fats, trans fats, and added sugars can help lower triglyceride levels. Additionally, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can improve triglyceride levels and overall heart health. Other lifestyle modifications, such as maintaining a healthy weight, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption, can also help lower triglyceride levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle and working with your healthcare provider to monitor and manage your triglyceride levels, you can take proactive steps to protect your heart and overall well-being. Our upcoming videos will explore specific dietary recommendations and lifestyle strategies for maintaining healthy triglyceride levels and supporting heart health. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and practical tips. Nutrition labels are a valuable tool for making informed food choices that support heart health. By understanding how to read and interpret these labels, you can identify critical nutrients, make healthier food selections, and take control of your diet to promote overall well-being. When examining a nutrition label, consider the serving size and number of servings per container. This information is crucial for accurately assessing the nutritional content of the food you're consuming. Pay attention to the calories per serving and the amounts of macronutrients like fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Next, focus on the specific nutrients listed on the label. Watch for saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium, as high levels of these nutrients can increase the risk of heart disease. To support heart health, choose foods low in saturated and trans fats and products with reduced sodium content. In addition to avoiding harmful nutrients, look for beneficial nutrients that promote heart health. Foods high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins like C and E can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and protect against heart disease. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can positively impact your heart health. To make heart-healthy food choices, consider including a variety of whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Plan balanced meals that incorporate a mix of nutrients and flavors to keep your diet exciting and satisfying. Stay tuned for more tips and guidance on making heart-healthy choices and nourishing your body for optimal health. Heart attacks are a serious health concern that can have life-threatening consequences. Understanding the factors that contribute to the risk of heart attacks and taking preventive measures are crucial for maintaining heart health and reducing the likelihood of experiencing a cardiac event. High levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides and low HDL cholesterol levels can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and heart attacks. By managing cholesterol and triglyceride levels through diet, exercise, and medication, if necessary, you can lower your risk of experiencing a heart attack. Lifestyle factors also play a crucial role in heart attack risk. Smoking, poor diet, lack of physical activity, obesity, and high stress levels can all contribute to the development of heart disease and increase the likelihood of a heart attack. It's essential to be aware of the warning signs of a heart attack, including chest pain or discomfort, shortness of breath, nausea, lightheadedness, and pain or discomfort in other upper body areas. If you experience these symptoms, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help to receive prompt treatment and prevent further damage to the heart. To reduce the risk of heart attacks, focus on incorporating heart-healthy habits into your daily routine. Eat a balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress levels and protect your heart. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to protect your heart and lead a heart-healthy lifestyle. Understanding cholesterol and its impact on heart health is crucial for making informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. You can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke by managing your cholesterol levels, including LDL and HDL cholesterol. Remember to focus on heart-healthy foods, exercise regularly, and monitor your cholesterol levels through regular screenings to protect your heart. Look for foods low in saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, and sodium while prioritizing nutrients like fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. By selecting heart-healthy options and planning balanced meals, you can nourish your body and protect your heart. Thank you for watching. And remember, your heart matters.